no less than 5 million Americans believe they've seen an unidentified flying object. Another 50 million say they believe UFOs exist. Witnesses include people who have every reason to be telling the truth. People like Bill Powell, an ex-airline pilot of 40 years' experience.
This is the aircraft that I was flying at the time I saw this so-called UFO. It was discus appearing. It had a slight raised dome on top of it. The dome part was, close as I can describe it, it was like a porcelain-white. The edge, or the rim, was a very bright red, which was very similar to what we call day-glow red, the type of color they put on the wingtips of aircraft for easier identification. It was completely smooth. There was no projections or portholes or anything of that nature.